from class 4B. My name is Nur Hasmiza binti Mahussein.
Hi, my name is Nur Haida binti Ahmad Najib.
Hi, my name is Nur Mazidah binti Saiful Muluk.
Hi, my name is Nur Shazwani binti Zamri.
Hi, my name is Siti Nurifah binti Musrai.
Today we are going to introduce about PC assembly. Okay, this is the motherboard. So this is the PCI slot.
This is a memory slot and graphic card slot.
This is for SATA cable, and this is CMOS battery, and this is for ATX power connector. This is the jumper. This is a power supply, and this is the ATX power supply connector.
This hard disk, graphic card, memory, CPU fan and SATA.
This is the DVD drive.
The first step in PC assembling is we are going to insert the DVD drive. Next, we are going to insert the hard disk. And next, we are going to insert the power supply. After we are done with inserting these three things, so we are going to finish up our motherboards. So this is the motherboard, and the first thing that we have to do on the motherboard is to put the jumper. So we have two jumper. The first one, we are going to put the jumper over here. The next jumper, we are going to put it over here. So now we have two jumper. So next, we are going to put this motherboard inside the PC case. The next steps, we are going to insert this colors wire into the motherboard. So the first blue colors, so the name is that side. And I'm going to insert it over here. Okay, next, the red color, put it beside the blue color. Next, the orange colors. Next, the orange colors wire is put behind the blue wire colors, and the green colors wires is put at the back of red colors wires.
Okay, next is the graphic card. I will put in the graphic slot. Okay. Then next is the memory card. It will put in the memory slot. Okay. Then next, this is a CPU fan. So we will put in at the motherboard. And then this is the connector. We put it at here. Okay. Item, this is the DVD connector, and this for the hard disk connector. So I will put it DVD. And this hard disk, I will put it hard disk connector.
Okay, next we're going to connect the power supply wire to the motherboard. we put it here, and then one more we put it here. Next we're gonna to connect the HD audio and USB wire. So we put it here, and one more we put it here.
So this is the complete PC assembly. So that's all from us. Thank you.